Imagine having access to up to $2 million in trading capital with the ability to withdraw 100% of your profits on demand. Sounds like a huge dream, right? But what if I told you this is actually possible? Well, today we are diving deep into Goat Funded Trader, a proprietary trading firm that claims to offer traders a fast, secure and highly rewarded way to get funded and earn substantial profits. Welcome back to Kupantera. If you're looking for a detailed expert review of Goat Funded Trader, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you will know whether this prop firm is worth of your time and investment or not. And stay tuned because at the end of this, I will reveal an exclusive 60% discount on your subscription only available through Kupantera. Let's dive in. Goat Funded Trader is a proprietary trading firm that provides traders with simulated capital of up to $2 million. Do you know their slogan? Trade like the greatest. A bold statement that instantly grabs attention. The firm is known for its 100% profit payout on demand, advanced proprietary technology, and a wide range of account types, catering to different trader needs. But the big question is, does Goat Funded Trader actually live up to the hype? Let's break it down step by step. Account types and funding options. One of the standout features of Goat Funded Trader is its variety of account types designed to cater to different trading styles and experience levels. Whether you are a beginner looking to start small or an experienced trader aiming for high capital, they offer 4 different funding models to suit your needs. What they are? Number 1. One-step evaluation accounts. This is the fastest route to getting funded. If you believe in your trading strategy and can hit their required profit target without multiple phases, this account is ideal for you. Target profit. You need to reach a 10% profit on your trading account to qualify. Daily drawdown limits. Your account must not lose more than 4% in a single day to stay eligible. Maximum drawdown. The overall loss should not exceed 6% of the account balance at any point. Trading period. Unlike some other prop firms that rush you with deadlines, here you get unlimited time to meet the goals, so no unnecessary pressure. Leverage. You get access to 1:30 leverage, giving you more control over your trades. Profit splits. You start with an 80% share of the profits but with an add-on option. You can upgrade to 100% profit share, meaning you keep everything you make. This is amazing, right? Other perks. You are allowed to trade during news events and hold positions over the weekend, which many other prop firms don't allow. Number 2. Two-step evaluation accounts. For traders who prefer a structured challenge before getting funded, the two-step model is a solid choice. It works as a double verification process, ensuring you can manage risk consistently. Step 1. You need to make a 10% profit while following the risk management rules. Step 2. Once you pass the first stage, you must make a 5% profit in the second phase. Drawdown rules. Just like the one-step account, you have a 4% daily drawdown limit and a 6% maximum drawdown limit. No time limit. You are not rushed. Take your time to pass both stages. Leverage. Up to 1:30, allowing you to maximize potential returns. Profit splits. Starts at 80% with the options to upgrade to 100% full profit share. This account type is for those who want an extra layer of validation before handling a funded account. Number 3. 3-step evaluation accounts, newly introduced. The latest addition to GOAT Funded Trader is the 3-step evaluation process, designed for traders who prefer a gradual progression before getting full funding. Step number 1. Hit a 10% profit target while managing risk. Step number 2. Achieve a 5% profit while maintaining discipline. Step number 3. Make a final 4% profit to confirm your consistency. Drawdown rules. You still get a 4% daily drawdown limit and a 6% maximum drawdown limits. Leverage and time limit. Same as others, 1:30% leverage and no time limit. Profit splits. Starts at 80% with an upgrade option to 100%. This model is designed for long-term traders who want to gradually prove their skills step by step before accessing capital. Number 4. Instant funding account for traders who want to skip challenges. If you don't want to go through an evaluation phase and just want access to capital immediately, this option is perfect for you. Start trading right away. Unlike evaluation accounts where you need to prove your skills, here you instantly receive a funded account. Funding levels. Choose from different sizes: $5,000, $8,000, $15,000, $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, even $150,000. Drawdown rules. You still get a 4% daily drawdown limit and a 6% maximum drawdown limit to protect your account. Profit split. Earn 80% of the profits and withdraw earnings without having to pass any test. Flexible trading. Trade during news events, hold weekends positions, and withdraw profits bi-weekly or even on demand. This is the best option for traders who don't want to wait and prefer to start earning right away. With these 4 different account types, GOAT Funded Trader ensures that every trader, regardless of experience level, finds the perfect fit. Hey, which account type suits your trading style the best? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, the pros and the cons of GOAT Funded Trader. Pros. High payouts, earn up to 100% of your profits. Unlike most prop firms that take a huge cut, GOAT Funded Trader allows you to keep up to 100% of what you make. This makes it one of the most lucrative funding options in the market. No time limits on challenges. Trade at your own pace. Many proprietary trading firms require traders to pass challenges within a short time frame. Here you get the freedom to take your time, refine your strategy, and pass the evaluation without any pressure. Multiple account options. Choose what works for you. Whether you prefer a 1-step challenge, a 2-step challenge verification process, or even instant funding, GOAT Funded Trader has options to match different trading styles. Transparent and fair trading environment. No hidden rules. One of the biggest concerns with prop firms is hidden fees or unexpected rule violations. GOAT Funded Trader operates with complete transparency, ensuring traders know exactly what they are signing up for. And now, let's judge the website. The cons. Higher initial cost. Entry fees are not the cheapest. While the benefits are great, the funding fees can be little expensive compared to some other firms. New traders with limited capital might find it challenging to afford. Limited trading platforms. Only 3 options available. Currently, GOAT Funded Trader supports Trader Locker, Match Trader, and Platform 5. If you are used to platforms like MetaTrader 4 or 5, you might need just to adjust to a different interface. And now, here's the final verdict. Should you trade with GOAT Funded Trader? What do you think? So, is goat funded trader worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. If you are a serious trader looking for a reliable funding firm with high payouts, flexible trading conditions, and strong technology, yes, it is. This firm stands out because it offers a fair and transparent system with no hidden restrictions. The ability to keep up to 100% of your profits, trade without time pressure, and access high leverage makes it a great choice for skilled traders. However, if you are a beginner or someone on a tight budget, the higher entry cost might be a concern. In that case, consider whether you are ready to invest in a good prop firm. In that case, I have a little gift for you. Do you really want to get started? If you are, so hear me out carefully. We have a special 60% discount exclusively for Coupon viewers. Click the link in the description and use the promo code to claim your discount before it expires. Now, if you have 60% discount on that subscription, there is no tension for beginners. So, just click the link in the description. And that's it for today's in-depth review. What do you think about goat funded trader? Would you trade with them or not? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more details video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any update. Until next time, thanks for watching.